Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for all aspiring freelance audio transcribers out there. A company called Transcript Heroes is hiring freelance transcribers. In this video, we will go through the steps of the application process. If you're interested in joining their team and working from the comfort of your own home, this is the video for you. Transcript Heroes is a legitimate online transcription company that makes money from clients and does not charge transcriptionists to get started. Transcript Heroes is a reliable and honest transcription company that offers transcription jobs to individuals who are interested in working from home with flexible hours. They require transcription experience, a computer with up-to-date systems, and high-speed internet. They are committed to providing transcriptionists with a fair wage and have high acceptance standards for applicants to ensure that they deliver their 200% guarantee on accuracy and timelines to clients. The company is a key provider of academic transcription services to some of the largest universities across Canada. To apply as a freelance transcriber at Transcript Heroes, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the Transcript Heroes website. For easy access, we included the link in this video's description. Or, you can simply hit the Jobs tab on the navigational menu on their website. Step 2. Review the job requirements. Take a look at the job requirements and ensure that you meet the necessary qualifications. Transcript Heroes has high acceptance standards for applicants to ensure the delivery of their 200% guarantee on accuracy and timelines to clients. Step 3. Fill out the simple online form on this page. Step 4. Upload your resume. Step 5. Answer all the questions. Step 6. Click on the button that says Submit Application. Step 7. After submitting your application, wait for a response from Transcript Heroes. They will review your application and get back to you regarding the next steps in the hiring process. Make sure to provide accurate and detailed information, as this will help Transcription Heroes evaluate your application better. If your application is successful, you will be invited to complete a transcription test to evaluate your transcription skills, accuracy, and attention to detail. You will be given clear instructions and audio files that you'll need to transcribe within a given time frame. The pay rate for freelance transcribers at Transcript Heroes varies depending on the project. Their highest rate was $2 per minute of recording transcribed, while their lowest rate was $1.16 per minute. The average rate over the month was $1.32 per minute of recording transcribed. That wraps up our video on the application process for freelance audio transcribers at Transcript Heroes. We hope this information has been helpful to you. We wish you the best of luck with your application. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content related to transcription and freelance opportunities. Thank you for watching.